In this lesson, I want to share with you the fundamentals of Microsoft advertising and why you should invest in this traffic source. But first, let's clarify what is Microsoft advertising. Bing is the Microsoft search engine. In many markets, Bing search is the next biggest search engine behind Google. You may have already heard of bingads. It was the advertising platform to display ads on Bing. I say was because in 2019, bingads was renamed into Microsoft advertising. However, the ads panel and features remained the same, only the name and logo was changed. So the search engine Bing remains as Bing, but the advertising platform is now known as Microsoft advertising. So what do the ads look like? Microsoft advertising is a pay-per-click platform, which means that you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Here is the Bing search engine. Let's do a search. Let's say loans. And here are the search results. And as you can see, the top results are labeled ad, ad, and ad. So the top 4 positions are ads. Now, if we scroll to the bottom, we see more ads. And we see how nicely these advertisements blend in with the normal content. And then if we go to page 2, again, the results start with ads. Of course, these are cheaper because most people click on page 1 result ads. However, you will always find some people that like to go to page 2, page 3, so it is worth sometimes bidding less and still having your ads displayed. So what you have seen here are ads on the Bing search engine. However, Microsoft advertising offers more pages to display their ads. Because pay-per-click ads that are set up through the Microsoft advertising platform appear on the Microsoft network and partner search networks. So this consists of sites that are owned and operated by Bing, Yahoo.com and AOL.com. Basically, when you advertise through Microsoft advertising, you have a wider reach for your ads than just Bing search. Now let's have a quick look at the market share of the Microsoft search network. Here's an overview of the market share. These stats were calculated a couple of months before the rebranding of Bing Ads to Microsoft advertising, and these figures include Bing, Yahoo and AOL searches grouped together. And then as you can see, Bing has a significant 33% market share in the United States. It is the biggest search engine after Google in the US. Bing is also big in other countries. In this chart, we can see that Bing has a solid presence in the European countries, especially the United Kingdom, France, Norway and Germany, but do not ignore Sweden or Spain, as even a 10% market share will provide you with plenty of clicks. In the Asia-Pacific region, the biggest presence is in Taiwan with a market share of 26%, followed by Hong Kong with 20% share of the market. And in Australia, Bing is growing and currently at 12%. So you can see that Microsoft advertising is present in the biggest markets around the world, and this trend is slowly growing. This traffic is a golden opportunity because it is smaller than Google. I would like to mention that millions of people advertise on Google, making it overcrowded and saturated and significantly more costly. That's the advantage that Microsoft advertising has. You can get top quality traffic at a lower cost. And with that, I would like to finish this lesson. In the next lesson, we will talk about setting up your Microsoft advertising account.